Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a piece of audio hardware that could be the heart of your next DIY speaker project or a great way to upgrade an existing system. The Power Subwoofer Amplifier Board Class D 2.1 CH Home Theater 2x50W plus 100W. This isn't a finished product you just plug in. It's a component board designed for integration, offering a compact and efficient way to drive a 2.1 channel audio setup. The core of this board is its Class D amplification technology. Class D is known for its high efficiency, meaning it converts more of the power it draws into audio output and less into heat. This allows the board to be smaller and run cooler compared to older amplifier classes, which is a significant advantage when you're building something custom or space is limited. The power output is specified as 2 by 50 watts for the main stereo channels and a dedicated 100 watts for the subwoofer channel. This configuration is perfect for a home theater setup where you want clear left and right channels for dialogue and effects, plus a strong, impactful low end from subwoofer. Having separate power for the subwoofer is crucial for delivering that deep bass without compromising the clarity or volume of the main speakers. The 50 watts per channel for the mains is sufficient to drive mini bookshelf or satellite speakers to a good volume in a small to medium-sized room, while the 100 watts for the sub provides ample power for a dedicated subwoofer driver, bringing movies and music to life with punchy bass. This board is specifically marketed for home theater use, and the 2.1 channel setup is a standard starting point for immersive audio. It allows for a simple yet effective soundstage, providing directional audio from the main speakers and filling the room with bass from the sub. For anyone looking to build their own powered speakers, create a custom soundbar with a separate sub, or even repair or upgrade the amplifier section of an existing 2.1 system, this board offers a compelling solution. Its compact size makes it versatile for various enclosure designs. While the specific features like input types or control options aren't detailed, the fundamental capability of providing clean, efficient 2.1 amplification is the main draw. It represents a cost-effective way to achieve a powerful and dynamic audio experience for home entertainment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.